Greetings and welcome to another video. Today is Sunday, 5th April 2020, and we're starting this video at the location where we ended videos made yesterday. And it just seemed like an appropriate thing to do. And when I was cycling around yesterday, cycling up toward Ironbridge, there was a location that I saw that I thought would be a good thing to make a video about today. So yeah, let's crack on and we'll get to that spot soon. We've got here the old Robin Hood Inn, and where we're going to is just further down this road here. So yeah, let's crack on and explore. Here we are, the Bedlam furnaces. Bedlam furnaces. Which is right over there. Alright, Bedlam furnace, erection of a new steel canopy roof to protect Bedlam furnace, ancient scheduled monument. These are the ruins of the Bedlam furnaces, originally built by the Madeley Wood Furnace Company between 1757 and 1759. They are the most complete set of 18th century ironworking furnaces in the country and have been designated as a scheduled monument. These furnaces transformed iron ore into molten iron. Bedlam furnaces were among the first to be specifically designed to use coke as fuel instead of charcoal. As such, they represent a new stage in furnace design. The raw materials of coke, iron ore and limestone were added at the top of the furnace along charging ramps. Bellows, powered by water wheels and steam engines, were used to provide a continual blast of air to generate temperatures of up to 1300 degrees Celsius. A chemical reaction in the furnace separated the iron from the iron ore. This liquid iron could be then tapped or drained off from the bottom of the furnace into sand moulds. The furnaces were sited next to the River Severn, ensuring that the iron produced here could be easily shipped to customers. It is possible that some of the larger components for the iron bridge were cast here in the late 1770s. The furnaces were much altered and adapted throughout their working life, and there has been some speculation about whether a second set of furnaces existed for a short distance upriver. At their height, they were producing up to 70 tons of iron each week. Bedlam furnaces ceased operation in 1843 when the Madeley Wood Company moved production to their larger furnaces that can still be seen at Blists Hill, Victorian Town. And here you've got some more information about Bedlam furnace. Like a painting made in the 1780s. Bedlam furnace coal down circa 1780s by Edward Days. This painting of Bedlam furnaces was made by Edward Days in the 1780s. All that remains today are the rear walls and the foundations of the engine house, bellows house, and one of the furnaces itself. The casting room, where molten iron would have been run out into bars called pigs, or into sand moulds, would have been roughly where the car park is today. That is an absolutely beautiful thing to look at. The size of this place is amazing. It's absolutely impressive, and that it's absolutely awesome that all this still exists today. I bet seeing the building when it was complete and working iron, I bet that would have been an amazing, awesome building to see when it was complete and working. So yes, this is a beautiful and amazing reminder of the rich, vibrant and just amazingly interesting history that Ironbridge and also Telford overall has right on our doorstep. And this is a very, very important location for not only Ironbridge history and Telford history, but also British history overall, and even world history. It all started right here, in impressive buildings like this. So yeah, I'm glad I stopped to make this video. I might come back here again on a future location to try and make a update video with more information or something like that. I don't know, haven't decided yet. I'll have to plan that out. But in the meantime, just want to take a few minutes to appreciate what's in front of me. On that note, I'm gonna end this video here, and I want to say thank you, dear viewer, for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you liked it. And I'm sure there's plenty of history books and websites online with local history going into more detail about this place if you ever want to research it properly. So yeah. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Take care of yourselves, be safe, and I'll see you all soon in the next video. Take care and goodbye.